Alright, so today on the wonderful, lovely sneaker Merox, what we basically have here is a box and a bag. Now, I am not showing you the bag, to be honest with you. That's the first thing that we're going to open is the bag. Okay. So just to hide the anonymity, all I'm going to do is to show you where the package is coming from. Okay. I don't know why there's only lights in a small package and not a, or why it's in a large package when it shouldn't be. Okay. Okay. So if you guys remember, as I'm sitting here opening, if you guys remember the, the video that I just recently did with, how can I put it this way? I'll put a recent video here, or I'll put it at the end of the video, is, basically I was talking about my recent buys, and I was talking about buying in 2020, and, I will probably put that here in the card, or I might put it at the end, with a, with that same thing, I'll put in a sheen coat at the end here as well, so that you guys can kind of go and take a look at, things like that. So basically that video I talked about how is it buying in 2020 any good? We will find out. So let's unbox this shirt. I have another couple of shirts coming down the way. There you guys go. I don't live near an outlet store anyways. So basically it's a trifoil tee, size M women's. There you guys go. I basically got a little bit of a white, black kind of a t-shirt. It didn't look black on the photo itself. It should fit. We'll see. I'm not gonna do it just quite yet. So let's gather the rest of this box. Now in here should be a couple of items. Should be 3 items here. Now, basically what I will do is I will put in the unboxing of the videos, the unboxing of these in the lookbooks as well. This is probably going to be a separate video. I might just put it as a separate video and then do a lookbook, so that you guys aren't like overly doing certain things, so we're not overly doing it. The reason why I'm going to probably do that is so that you guys are not bored by me, in getting things done that way, so that I can show you the unboxing here. We're going to finish this here. Okay, so let's see. Well, okay, you guys can kind of barely see that there's actually another skirt here. Okay, for all intents and purposes, this skirt is similar to the same one I got from the other video. That one I'm not going to really unbox because you guys already seen that. And then I got 2 I got a pair of Adidas. Now you guys can probably figure out what these are. We will show you guys that one in a minute. And then I got another bold statement pair of bold shoes. You guys can kind of figure, if you guys have seen that video, you guys already know what's in these boxes, and what I've bought. So let's take a look at this one here first. The one that I have sitting here open. Oh, okay. It looked different online. But there you go. They are size 7, by the way. I'm not going to show you both sides, but these actually look better online. I'll be honest with you. I don't know. You guys will have to make your own decision when you guys go and purchase these. Now I want to see if there's nothing else in the box, just the white laces. That's all. It's pretty much all that's in here. So these are nice. I definitely will say these look better in person than they do online, but you guys will have to decide for yourself. Now these ones are see, I'm surprised that these came. I thought these would come in a white box, but there's the inside of the box. You guys can kind of already see the paper. With these ones, the paper, I didn't show you guys the paper in this one either. But there's the paper. There's what the paper looks like. Okay. I'm going to show that so that you guys know that these are the real deal. These are not the fake stuff, as some people will find. Because I go buy from the actual websites in themselves. Now, I'm going to show you the one without the, well, I'll show you the one without the tag on it. These are the bold, black, gold, white, black, gold pair, I believe. White, black, gold, black, white, black, gold. Basically, yes, these ones. I actually do like these ones as much. But the reason why I got these, and I'll share it with you guys. The reason why, is I actually was going to complete a look that I was trying to go for with the shirt and the skirt. Now what I do want to show you guys is with this, I'm going to definitely open this one up as well. I was going to wait, but the last video I also noticed that there were some things that I will want to mention, let you guys know, is that when you buy the plaited miniskirt, there is some tape here. Oh, they look different online. I don't know. Sometimes when you go online and you buy something, it'll always look different online. And as you can see, there's tape here. So just gently slowly and gently take the tape off. Now I already know that these are going to fit the way I want them to fit anyways, because I bought same one. I will probably put a card here, just so you guys can go take a look at that one. It probably won't be, remember, it probably, I will be honest with you, it probably won't be the same. It probably will be in with a pair of shoes, so that you guys don't. Just to let you know that this is basically just me taking off the tape now. Because when I tried it on the first time, I didn't realize that there was tape. And I thought it was just part of the skirt, and then I looked at it, and I was wait. Okay. And there's about 3 of them on here, so just to let you know. But most everything I bought was a size 7M and M. I will have to see about the bolts. I know are gonna fit just fine, but the ones I'm not for sure about are the other shoes. So that's what it looks like without the stuff on. I know it's not going to be easy to see, but you will probably be able to see it a lot easier when I do the lookbook for everything. What I will do is I will do a lookbook with these first, and then I will with this and the shirt first, and then I will do the other one with the with something similar to this. And then I'll do the other ones, the other shoes in a separate lookbook. It will not be an unboxing though. You might see me unbox the shoes with the paper and stuff, so that some people who aren't really fascinated with these unboxings. But I will say, buying in 2020 because of the pandemic and stuff, it's basically it's just the same as always. Some things might not be, might take longer. Some things may take shorter time. It all depends. It all depends on where you're buying it from, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna let you know that we will see you guys later. If you guys want to see more, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you guys that you check out the video here. That's a video that's going to be something that YouTube recommends. Then there's going to be a video down here. That's something that YouTube is that I'm going to give you the Sheen Cult thing, and then the other one up here is going to be something about that buying in 2020 and showing you guys everything that I bought online, and you guys can go check that out as well. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, really? Come on. This is gonna really what? It's not gonna stop recording. Whatever.